Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail layout quickly and easily. Whether you want a cleaner look or better organization for your emails, this guide will have you sorted in just a few clicks. Start by opening your Gmail account and looking at the upper right corner of your screen. See that little gear icon? That's your settings menu. Click on it. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your inbox. Once the menu drops down, scroll until you see inbox type. This section is where you decide how your emails are sorted and displayed. Gmail gives you a few options, but today we'll focus on the default view. Next to it, click Customize. Here, you'll see several tabs that you can turn on or off depending on what matters to you. First up is Promotions. This tab keeps marketing emails separate so your main inbox stays clean. Then there's Social, perfect for emails from social networks like Facebook or Twitter. Next, check out Updates. This tab groups confirmations, receipts, and invoices in one place, keeping clutter away from your important emails. Finally, there's Forums, which is great if you follow discussion groups or email-based communities. Everything stays neatly organized. Once you've made your choices, don't forget to hit save. Your Gmail will immediately update to reflect your new layout, making it easier to stay organized, focused, and efficient. And that's it. You've just customized your Gmail to fit your workflow perfectly. Give your inbox a look and enjoy a cleaner, smarter email experience. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.